All right, well, we made it back. So the plan for this trip is going to be to finish this deck. It's going to be hotter than heck again. They're saying big heat, I'm sure everywhere, but you know, we went from thinking it was going to be high 70s, low 80s with some rain, and they changed it to dry and like 98. So, well, maybe it won't be so humid. Anyways, we're going to try and get this deck covered here. It does get too hot. I think we got spray foam insulation is done inside, so we can probably put the AC on or throw a window unit in here. I think I got one in the shed. Maybe work the afternoons inside where it's a little cooler. My brother's coming, I think. He's gonna tie some of the electric together and be working inside on that stuff. We'll get this deck done and we'll start framing this outdoor kitchen. Should be cool. Man, feels good to be back. All right, so everybody's finishing up breakfast. I usually come down here to talk to you guys before we get started. Mike and I have to take this little Ford Ranger over to the tire shop. So I'm gonna get a little later start this morning. Dad, I don't know if you guys remember the last time I was here, I went to St. Louis, and part of what I was doing was picking up this little Ford Ranger for my brother-in-law. Just needs a couple things, mostly registration, but we'll get that going. It'll be a good little truck for running into town and stuff. It's here, but we're gonna take that and get some new tires, and then we'll get going on this deck. I got this last board to put in. Get in your home ball. Are you nervous, Ray?
Sounds good.
Okay. All right, well, we're back from lunch. What a good sandwich. Good sandwich?
Great sandwich.
That was the best sandwich ever. It's doesn't feel too bad today, does it?
Not a shade.
It was supposed to, we're like, it's gonna be 98. I don't think it's 90 yet.
Not today, only like 91, 92.
Yeah, that's all. So anyways, it's pretty good. We got this whole deck despite our slow start. Couldn't get the tractor going. The Ford Ranger had a dead battery, flat tire, and a lawnmower. So we got the grass cut and all the things, but we still got the whole deck decked. So we gotta trim the sides out, and then we're gonna start on this gable end here, buttoning up some of the plywood and get some shakes and metal on it. Hold on a second, George. You're being too loud. All right, so Mike and I are gonna start laying out this outside kitchen. I think we're gonna kind of build a corner in each corner and put it together backwards. It's gonna be a little unorthodox. Okay, you can commence noise making. Well, that's about it for me today. I'm gonna go get showered up, and we have a live stream tonight. Many of you will have already seen it by the time this comes out, but anyways, these guys are gonna finish up the last few things they're working on. The tools picked up. I might come out and put the drone up again for the end of this video, but thanks for watching, and we'll do it again real soon.